Welcome back, guys, to another video. This is Sargent Chicken here, and today we are going to be doing a Widowmaker montage. Now, before we begin, I just like to tell you guys about our upcoming videos. So, I think I might post a Lamborghini cop chase, maybe, and obviously this will be happening in the game The Crew, which I am playing right now. As you can tell, it's got pretty good graphics, and it's a role-playing game. You go on missions in cars, buy cars, escape from the cops, and I guess you're a part of this huge gang. So, now that I've said that, let's get on with the video.